Here is a quick look at what we get up to on our Costa Rica homestay experience. Everyone always arrives hungry, so we get straight into a cooking class here, learning how to make some traditional Costa Rican food. It was super tasty. After that, you head over to meet the family you're going to be staying with. They had an absolutely beautiful garden and were incredibly welcoming. They even had a gorgeous little puppy to play with. Once we got settled in, we headed down to the local river to have a swim. It was great just to hang out with everyone, mess around and jump in the water while we all cooled off. Our host even provided us with some fresh coconut to enjoy whilst we sat around. We then got in the chosen mode of transport back to the village, where we got straight into some activities. We had a big game of football with everyone in the community. It was so much fun just to run around together and get a bit competitive. After a solid game, everyone was starving once again, so we had a big community dinner where everyone comes together, each family brings their own meal. It was really nice to eat with everyone and also meant we got to try a huge variety of different dishes. We finished the day, sat around the fire with everyone, swapping stories and toasting marshmallows. Such a wholesome way to finish the whole experience.